The forward characteristic curve of a junction diode is shown in figure. Calculate the resistance of the diode at V is equal to 0.5 volt and I is equal to 60 milliampere. Since this is a diode, you can see that the current versus voltage graph is not a straight line. The resistance is not a constant value. It will vary, and the voltage versus current, or sorry, in this current versus voltage graph is not a straight line. So they are asking us to calculate the resistance at an interval where voltage is 0.5 volt. So in the graph we are just marking the point. This is 0.5 volt corresponding to the current value is 14 milliampere. So to find the resistance, we can find an interval. So here I am taking another point, that is 0.4 volt corresponding to the current is 20 milliampere. So if I draw a triangle with respect to this point, now if I find the slope of this curve, or if I draw a tangent to the curve, and after drawing the tangent, if I am calculating the slope, I will be getting the resistance value. So from this diagram, if I try to calculate the slope, then I will get the resistance value. So the interval is, for the first part, V is 0.5 volt. So here I am going to calculate resistance. R is equal to, and here voltage interval is 0.5 and 0.4. So we can say 0.5 minus 0.4 divided by current value. It is 40 and 20. So 40 minus 20, current is in milliampere, 10 to the power minus 3. This will give you the resistance at 0.5 volt. This will become 0.1 divided by 20 into 10 to the power minus 3. Once you solve this, you will be getting as 5 volt. This is the answer for the first part. Now for the second part, we need to find the resistance at when the current is 60 milliampere. So if you see in the graph, this is a point where the current is 60 milliampere. So again you can find two intervals. So if I take these 2 points like 60 and 20. So corresponding to the voltage value is 0.4 volt and 0.6 volt respectively. So for the second part of the question, current is 60 milliampere and the resistance will be, we can draw a triangle and slope will give you the value of the resistance. This is a curve. We are assuming we are drawing a tangent to the curve and we are calculating the slope of the tangent. So resistance will be equal to 0.6 minus 0.4 divided by the difference in the current value, 60 minus 20 into 10 to the power minus 3. Once we solve this, we will be getting 5. So resistance is constant in these two intervals. Thank you.